To buy VTSAX in ETrade, you need to start by logging into your ETrade account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing your personal information and completing the registration process. Once you are logged in, ensure that your account is funded. This can be done by linking a bank account and transferring funds to your ETrade account. Next, you will need to find the VTSAX fund. To do this, navigate to the investment section of ETrade. You can use the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in VTSAX and select the fund from the results. This mutual fund is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund and is known for its low expense ratio and broad market exposure. After selecting VTSAX, you will see an option to invest or buy shares. Click on it and specify the amount you wish to invest. ETrade may allow you to enter either the dollar amount you want to invest or the number of shares you wish to purchase. Review the details on the order page, including any fees or commissions, before proceeding. Once you are satisfied, submit your order. You should receive a confirmation that your order has been processed. Keep an eye on your portfolio to monitor your investment in VTSAX over time. It is always wise to stay informed about the fund's performance and any market changes that may affect it.